Hey, what's up? Today we are winterizing that giant RV behind us. This is a how-to video with my grandfather, Papa Al. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also watch till the very end because there are a couple extra pieces of information that we forgot to add that we added at the very end. See y'all later. Let's get started. How to winterize your RV. First, unscrew the plug to the water heater. Let it drain. Then, with your antifreeze, run this hose right in there.
So you gotta isolate the hot water heater.
Isolate the hot water heater. Make sure the valve is open to your antifreeze. Go inside, turn the water pump on, let it run. Make sure the antifreeze is being pumped through the system. You can hear that the pump just kicked on. Running through the system there. There it is. Yeah, here we go. It's running through until it starts running out of the water heater. What happened?
Nothing. Is it coming out?
No, not yet. Make sure all the faucets are shut off.
You had the sink. You never went under here?
We have another holdup. I didn't use the water this year,
Oh, okay.
so I never turned it on or off underneath the refrigerator.
There's a shut off. All right, there it goes.
There's a shut off. So did you shut it off or turn it on?
I turned it on. Water coming out.
Turned
now.
it on.
Pink.
Not yet. We just have water coming out still.
Close the valve inside
The valve is, which valve?
on the water heater bypass valve under the fridge.
Okay, is off. We still have some water pouring out of here, not just antifreeze. Combination. We've gone through 1 gallon already.
Outside shower.
Next is the outside shower.
Open.
Open the shower, water pump kicks on automatically.
Like this.
And there we go, it turned pink.
Pink out of the hot. Now we gotta get pink out of the cold.
Put the termination cover on.
And close this. Keep the critters out of the tank. Coach.
Now go inside the coach, he says. Make sure the bottle stays full so you don't suck air in. Time to go in the bathroom.
Wanna.
Flush the toilet till it's pink. Leave a little inside, right? Inside the bowl?
Yeah, you want to leave enough in there to seal, give you a gas seal.
Right. Should I have put any chemicals inside the tank first or no?
Did you drain both tanks?
I drained the tanks.
Okay, no,
Yeah.
you're good. Where's the
I
aerator?
took the cap off of the sink already.
Okay. Then
Run the cold. Run the hot.
see how it was.
Mm-hmm. Then run your shower. Take the tips off the shower and all the faucets.
Pink.
Make sure you do your hot and cold in the shower till pink comes out. There we go.
I forgot this line.
Don't forget the shower cleaner, the toilet cleaner. There we go. Don't forget to check your bucket. Make sure you're not running out of antifreeze. Look, you can already see we're sucking air through everything. It's not sucking up the cool antifreeze.
Take the aerator off, all of them.
Now, do you have to do hot and cold with a faucet like this?
Yeah. Yes.
So go to hot and then go to cold. There's that air. There's the air that got in between the lines.
Where's the bypass?
Next is the water filter. Let's go to the bypass. Shut the pump off for a minute. Here's our water filter.
You've got something you can catch the water in.
Yeah. What is it? There's a lever.
There's a lever.
Push the lever up.
Yeah.
Unscrew the filter. Ugh. Oh, geez. And that's why you have a bucket underneath.
Yeah.
To catch everything. Okay.
All right, now just stick that in the sink. Stick that filter in the sink upside down.
Yeah.
Let it drain.
Let the filter drain, yeah.
Put the termination cap on. Push it up, give it a turn. I don't know. All right, after you push the cap up, turn the lever back down.
Ah!
It wasn't in.
So that happened because the cap wasn't in correctly. Now we dried everything up, screwed the cap in, and turned the water pump on to test it.
Okay.
What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing
now?
now?
Run the water. Make sure this pink here. And everything is good to go.
Okay. So is that everything? Shut the water pump off.
Yep.
Disconnect and remove your batteries. And then what do we do out here?
Heat it just hand tight.
Hand tight. The water heater plug back in.
From the antifreeze.
Remove the supply line from the antifreeze.
Up on.
Put the cap back on.
Well, cross thread. And reset the remaining antifreeze. I pour it a little in each drain to make sure there's no water in the trap.
Okay.
So use the bathroom sink and the 2 sinks in the kitchen.
Okay.
And a little in the tub.
So we used less than 3 gallons. We're done. It took us 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to remove the batteries and keep them on a battery tender all winter inside storage. I am leaving it parked on grass, so I'm going to put wide boards underneath all the tires so they don't get dry rot. I do cover the RV. What else? Anything?
No.
That's it.
Put the antenna down.
Put the antennas down. And then reseal everything. Go around up on the roof and on the sides. Reseal it all, because you can see here, seams are starting to come apart. And that's it. That's how you winterize your RV. Oh, and one last thing. Last year we waited too long. We winterized in November and we had a frost. So I had to turn the heat on and thaw everything out before I could do this. So do it before winter. Don't wait too long. I have one other bit of information. Video or photograph how your battery connections, how the terminals are connected. So follow the path of how everything's connected, because next year you'll forget. So when disconnecting the batteries,
Anytime you're working on the batteries, you should always remember that negative is the first cable to come off and the last cable to be put on. That'll eliminate any spark or shock from the positive cable if it should ground out with the wrenches.
good info.
Remember, negative first off, last on.
Thank you. We thought of another thing. Throw dryer sheets, fabric softener sheets, in every storage cabinet and load it up in the exhaust hole, every little crevice. The critters hate it and they won't come in.